Finally! Hey, we are getting ready to chow down on our fabulous Cinco de Mayo spread. All keto friendly. I'm ready to go.
We are so hungry. Amazingly, that we prepare all this food for you to view and look at. We're starving, so we're ready to chow down.
With no further ado, we shall thank the Lord above who gave us the opportunity to be here today.
Yes.
Let's join hands. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that we are about to receive in your heavenly precious name. Amen.
Amen. You know what time it is. We don't have to tell you.
Mukbang!
Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to start. Everything is so delicious.
Wow.
Amazingly.
Chile relleno.
Oh, I almost forgot to tell you what we eating. She gonna tell you. I got the same thing she got.
Tacos.
And yes, we have our little hats on because it is Cinco de Mayo. We must be festive.
You know, we always in the cut.
Flantis. It is delicious.
Keto flautas. But I don't hear you though.
No, we start eating. This is a lot of chewing. And this flantis is delicious.
Off the cuisine.
It's got wrapped in the
Cabbage.
cabbage. Mine has turnips in it. It's delicious. It's very spicy.
Woo! Spicy.
Can't have Cinco de Mayo without a little spice going on in your life.
I don't need my glasses. Woo! Because it's going in my mouth. I ain't got to look at it no more.
Fortunately, we know just what your mouth is. I can be blindfolded and I can still
Okay.
feed myself.
That's funny. You close your eyes and you can take a sobriety test and pass it. As long as there's some food on the fork.
I have no problem with that. But this is keto friendly. This is really good.
Shoot, even if you're not keto, it's friendly to you.
To your tummy. To the gut, as they say.
Okay. And if you're not keto, you might have a gut. I'm just saying. Forgive me. I mean, I've lost weight and I find myself making comments. That might not be too nice, but hey, I've been there. I'm a reformed fatty. I have been reformed. Ooh, this chile relleno got some heat up on it. Chile relleno. What lifestyle, what kind of eating plan can you have?
The flantis with the turnip and the cabbage. That is such a great combination. Very good. To my taco.
Woo! Jalapenos is showing up, ain't they?
Pico de gallo on the taco.
Cinco de Mayo. Woo-hoo.
This is the fish taco. It is delicious.
Got my chips. That's right. Chips.
I might be having another one of these fish tacos. It's a little miniature one, but it's delicious.
Ain't nothing miniature. Look at your plate. It's huge. We don't do miniature.
No. If we're doing mukbang, there's no napkins involved. You just get to eat.
Not a napkin in sight.
Wow. This taco is delicious.
Got the sour cream all on the crack of your mouth. Good Lord. Somebody might say, "What? Ooh, what's she doing?"
Sorry, y'all.
Don't be sorry. You know they watching. They want to see.
We
They
hungry.
want to see. Woo!
Mighty spicy. Woo!
Hey,
Little spicy never hurt nobody, right?
what y'all think of our hats?
It's festive.
It's festive.
And this is the top my uncle gave me for Christmas.
She got it from Lamb Saw Us. Lamb Saw Us.
And I'm wearing
She got the little
blouse that my uncle
cotton
gave
balls.
me.
She can do a facial while she on
You know what
the
I'm
move.
saying? That's what
The little cotton balls. Lord have
my
mercy.
uncle gave it to me. I'm gonna wear it.
Fashion.
You know who you are, Uncle.
Fashion police. Oh, ooh. Love you, Uncle. Hey, but it goes with our hat, don't it?
Yeah.
Right on time. It's already May. This year's just going by.
Sorry about that. Can't let that go to waste.
Yeah. Y'all know about the
it's a
smacking. The
whole
smackometer. You know about the smackometer up in here.
There's a whole bunch
I
of
can't
y'all.
hear myself smacking for hearing her smacking. Y'all know what I do.
Look, we know it's a whole bunch of y'all wishing y'all was here with us right now. Getting some of this keto-friendly mukbang.
They've got the heat up on it today.
Chili Rihanna.
Woo.
Make you want to do some things.
Uh-oh. Fire.
For sure.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's very spicy. Gotta save a little room for some dessert, but this is our eating hour, so we can get our grub on. Chili Rihanna is so cheesy and spicy. I love spicy.
Yeah, this is spicy.
This is delicious.
Fish taco.
Girl back there getting her grub on too. She don't want y'all to sleep.
She ain't making a sound, but she sure charmed down.
Matter of fact, her shit. I mean, oops.
Oh,
Her stuff almost
oh
got
Lord have mercy.
Edit.
Ain't gonna edit that.
That's
Ain't no
real
edit
talk.
on that. That's real talk.
Her food already gone.
Okay. Edit that. Bro. A compadre. Over 40 years. It's a birthday.
She had no idea we was gonna bring it to her like this. Full keto Cinco de Mayo spread.
Okay.
Ooh, this chili Rihanna.
She couldn't wait.
We can make these and put them on the market. These right here is delicious. Matter of fact, my girl, she never even tasted these chili Rihannas before. Any kind.
Okay.
First time. She said, they are so good.
They are the bomb.
Poblano peppers. I can't even say what they are, but they're good.
Tasty.
Stuffed with jackfruit. Y'all know what's up with some jackfruit?
Look it up. It's scary looking, but it's delicious.
Okay. Now, stuff that looks scary be so good. Isn't that crazy?
Some things that look scary.
Ain't some things. A whole lot of things.
I don't mean to get all into that big old chili Rihanna, but it's about to be gone.
Look at that. Woo! Roasted to perfection.
MJ cooked these chili Rihannas. They are so delicious. Oh
Woo.
my goodness.
I tell you, I'm so
And we got
inspired,
dessert
baby.
tonight. We
Okay.
gonna bring you a little dessert that she made that is delicious. Absolutely fabulous.
Cha-cha-cha cheesecake.
You're trying to make our friend laugh.
No, I ain't trying to make her laugh. I'm trying to enjoy my meal.
That's chili Rihanna.
I get excited.
You can't do nothing but get excited when you eat
And
something
I just can't hide it.
Everything has flavor in it.
I'll be losing control, and I like it. Oh my. Havarti cheese shell. Really? Havarti. I probably ain't even saying it right. Who cares? It tastes good. Oh my gosh, and the crunch on that.
Girl, this chili Rihanna. I go to a vegan place and make chili Rihannas that I thought was the bomb, but they are really delicious.
Delicioso. Forgive me y'all if I'm murdering the word, but you know, I'm in a festive mood. Ooh, the same flavorful
cheers
flavor.
Cinco de Mayo. Cheers.
Right over here, darling.
I have a little sweet.
A little jiggity jig. Shoot. We got to make some more of that strawberry keto latte.
Oh, that was
whatever
good
we
too.
called it.
We're getting all our calories in, of course, for the keto, our intermittent fasting
Our
day.
alcohol pina colada version. Keto friendly. Yeah.
We're being nice. I really don't feel like talking. Because
Okay.
this is so good. But I'm trying to keep y'all entertained as well.
Well,
But this is so good. I can just be
you listen
quiet.
closely, you can hear the smacking.
Y'all seen that big old chili Vienna I had? It just gone.
Okay. Fibrous.
I wasn't playing. It was gone. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to save some room for the dessert.
We got room.
I don't have to wait a little while for the dessert.
Okay. Wow. Another great hit. Sistah-Girlfriends did it.
Well, you gotta stay tuned because you never know what we might bring you.
Okay. Bo bo. Ain't that our sign off?
I'm getting full. But I must eat my...
You ain't got no belches for these folks today?
What was that?
That was some crunch, honey.
That was a crunchy. Good
That was you
Lord.
crunching your taco. What the heck was you chewing on?
Now I'm gonna tackle my tostada.
Lord. I've been waiting for this all day.
This tostada. That's some good. I can't hardly drink none of that.
You can't hear nothing.
It's spicy and all that.
You're not supposed to eat and talk.
Well, you know, we do that. It's okay. I don't like
I'm
to.
just saying. Everything we ain't supposed to do, we do it for you though. Because we know you like to see this.
That's kind of hard sometimes. I've been looking for that napkin. I've been looking for my napkin, but much better. You don't have to have all that. Let's keep it real. And you enjoy your food. That's the most important part. Mukbang, you get to enjoy your food. Even with this crazy hat I got on. But it's all good.
Ain't nothing crazy about it.
Y'all can comment and let me know how you
Might
what you
be
thinking
loco.
about this. You can comment
Might be
on our
local.
YouTube page and let us know what you think about these hats. I like them. This is a turnip tostada.
Turn it up, turn it up.
So flavorful.
Flavorful.
So,
Go on and pick it up with your hands.
so much flavor. That's a very clean finger.
You nasty.
Man, that's just making sure you get all your flavors. Sometimes when you look on your finger, it tastes a little bit better.
It tastes a lot better. Ain't no shame in the game when it's time to eat.
Ooh-wee.
Now we want you guys to continue following us. You know, we love the mukbang community.
For sure.
Y'all done turn us on to a whole new thing. Trust me.
This food is so spicy.
It is so spicy.
It feels like my lips to be growing out of my face. Like my lips are growing out of my face. Like they are on fire. And that's, you know, for me to say that, because I love
just a little
spicy food.
lip plumping.
I got my own,
Hey,
my
instead
own
of spending
duck
all that
lips,
money
automatic.
Okay, instead of spending all that money on getting your lips filled, just rub a pepper.
They will puff up on you, trust me.
Puffer, baby. Puffer
I hope
fish.
I ain't giving y'all the ducky look, but that's what
Okay.
it feels like.
Be like, oh, you got some full lips.
Woo.
Had I known those poblano peppers had all that heat on them,
That was spicy too.
girlfriend, Sistah-Girlfriend.
My pico de gallo has a kick to it, and then put that on top.
She put her foot in it. As she says.
Woo!
Wow.
The heat is on.
Yes, it is. On a scale of 1 to 10, what is the heat?
15. This is hot.
It's warm. Everything got cayenne,
Peppers.
jalapeno.
We wanted to keep it real Cinco de Mayo, and we
Okay.
did that.
Well, you got to keep the flavor. So you feel like you're eating authentic.
We're trying to get the good stuff.
I don't know. Should we give him a little plate licking today? Tell us what you think. Do you like to see us?
Would you like to?
Do you like to see us lick the plate? You know, you could tell us what you want to see. And if
We down for about.
No, don't tell them what we down for. They don't need to know what we down for. You know, we'll make that judgment when we see the request. But, you know, y'all don't trip.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared, but don't be tripping either.
Make good comments.
I'm
We'll be looking
not ready
for 'em.
for all that.
We'll be looking for them.
Because, you know we some kind of different, but, you know, if you within reason, you might just get your requests, you know, as long as we not eating no insects and shit. Oh, did I say that?
I ain't eating none of that.
You're going to have to watch yourself, okay? You have to have your own little personal mukbang.
We'll film you though. We ain't doing that though. I don't know, my food was so good. I enjoyed.
How were you finished before me?
I was so hungry. I was playing. And I was talking, but
you got to wait for me now. Now you got to watch me.
Well, I got to exhale.
Now you got to watch me.
It's okay. Eat on, girl. Oh, Lord. Ooh-wee.
Lord. Feel like blowtorch. Ooh, all that heat bubbling up. I'm so sorry.
No, she not. She not.
No.
You ain't sorry.
Hey, y'all got what you wanted to right there now, didn't you? Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
Ooh. You know when your food is hot, when your nose feels like it just wants to run.
When that shit be roaring out your mouth like a damn blowtorch, that's when you know.
Everything was spicy. So if you're not real spicy, like a lot of spice in your life, this might be a little too spicy for you.
Nah.
But see, with us, we love it spicy.
We like flavor.
We can take the heat.
Flavor.
No. Oh my goodness. This
fresh
was so
guacamole.
Tasty. Everything was fresh. Homemade.
Homemade.
Keto style.
We make this
friendly. From
scratch. Not necessarily from scratch. You know, I think I cheated on the queso dip. I'm going to be honest with you.
Oh, yeah. That was... We got that out.
Who want to melt cheese and glop it? You know, hey, we need it.
But we know how to make it.
Right.
But we cheated on that. But the rest of it was very authentic. We did all the chopping, you know, and with real authentic Mexican food, there's a lot of chopping going on.
And we substituted what we couldn't have for what we could have and didn't miss a thing.
Oh my God, it was so good. You see,
you
see, I finished before she did, and that's normally not the case.
Gee, I don't know if that's a compliment.
No, it's a compliment. I was hungry tonight, so I finished first. I hadn't eaten all day. I've been tasting, but I hadn't eaten. So.
Yeah, we know about you little.
I had to.
We know about you little skinny minis. How they be. It's like
I feel a little bloated.
How the hell did she stay that way by just eating like that? But you know what?
Keeping a keto lifestyle. You can do that, and I enjoy it.
Okay.
I love eating.
We eat. We don't starve
and
ourselves.
we getting ready to have some dessert as soon as
and gonna have some dessert, and we're having wine.
Ching. You know, Sistah-Girlfriends always got a little
how we
glass
do.
of wine.
You know how we
keep
do.
you relaxed,
we
not
indulge.
too uptight. You know, we have busy weeks, busy lifestyles. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. But, oh Lord, all those onions and garlic, I can smell everything. It's like, oh my goodness. But our lifestyles are very busy.
Fresh ingredients.
So therefore, to be able to sit down when it's time to eat, we only eat one time a day because we're pretty much in keto and do the intermittent fasting.
So
we only eat one a day, and we have a time slot when we eat, our eating hours. And with that being said, when it's time to eat, it almost makes you want to stop what you're doing. You getting ready to eat. You ready for that meal.
It is an event. I don't know why. It's
like your brain is telling you, it's time to eat. What are you doing? You tripping. You need to go.
Okay.
Sit down and eat,
And we enjoy it so much. I have a newfound respect for food.
Really, you do. Because it's like
the flavors.
And then you not
are so
satisfying. It's not like you can't have this, you can't have that, you can't have this and that on some, different lifestyles of eating where you can't have so many different things. But with this, you get to have all the things that you've been told not to eat. Mm-hmm. So you do have to have a new frame of mind when you're thinking about keto and intermittent
But what
fasting.
changes your mind,
What changes your mind in terms of keto lifestyle?
The fat.
It's, you know.
You gotta
just
let fat change your mind, literally.
because you've been taught all these years low fat. And
Right.
sometimes you think you eating low fat and it's not even really low fat. You know, it got so many other things that's bad for you that turn into fat. You know, that,
Stored fat.
you know, doing the keto when
Y'all be having the storage facilities going.
seriously,
All right now.
we burning every piece of fat that we put in our body. And obviously, you know my favorite saying, don't make me get up on you.
Okay.
But I'm just saying.
You
I
don't
can
want to
show
have to
you.
stand up.
I don't
Wait.
want to have to
You
stand
don't want to
up.
have to stand up
But
and
I'm just
embarrass
saying,
nobody, quote
The
unquote.
fat definitely is being burned daily, every day. You know, we don't store fat, we burn it. That's the motto. And it's working. It's working. We're proof in the pudding. Do your research
In the what?
and check it out.
In the what?
Proof in the pudding. Yes.
Speaking of pudding,
So, I'm just saying. That's how it is.
I'll be right back, y'all.
Happy Cinco de Mayo. I saved a little bit of room. You know, I have this big frilly top on. I saved a little bit of room for dessert. Yummy. So now,
Cheesecake.
and we must invite the birthday girl just to have a little piece of her birthday cheesecake with us.
Step on over.
It's like, I feel like I ate a whole plate of food, but I'm not like stuffed. I feel like, you know, I have room for my dessert. And, you know, you just, when you feel fulfilled and you're doing something and you're seeing results from it, it's amazing because it's like, dang, I get to eat all the things I like, very flavorful food, and see results at the same time. We got up today and we worked out. We worked out, stretched, all that good stuff. But we were burning fat at the same time. You know, we burn fat. We don't just digest the food, we burn fat. That's our motto. You got to be able to burn the fat that you put in your body.
Daily.
And that's what we do. And it's paying off.
Cut the cake,
it's a great lifestyle.
please.
They want to cut the cake. Want the birthday girl to come over here and cut the cake.
I need that over a spoon.
No, you need to get a knife.
I already got the knife.
Shy. Don't be acting shy.
Step on in here.
We the three musketeers. We've been the three musketeers forever.
40 years plus.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, don't tell nobody because we only like 20 something. I'm just saying.
Happy birthday. Come on.
Get on.
This is mukbang. Mukbang. The mukbang lesson right
Okay,
here.
and
Watch.
this one right here can eat, and her lipstick never comes off.
Okay. Without lipstick being removed, she will now consume a strawberry.
She did it! Oh my
We brought it to you. You ain't never seen that before.
Okay. Like that.
Like that.
Okay.
I want to see you eat some dessert without removing your lipstick.
That's tough. That's tough. I eat
Ain't
up lipstick
easy.
every day, all day.
It ain't easy.
So funny.
But she got it down pat. Has had it ever since I've known her.
Mukbang.
All right,
Explain
digging on
the
in.
crust.
Hmm?
You don't want to explain the crust? The crust.
What about the crust? We gonna eat it all. Do I want?
State what it is.
Oh,
Duh.
we gonna state what it is. We have cheesecake, keto friendly. We have macadamia nut.
Sound like a fat bomb to me. Cheesecake.
Okay. Now, then we have the cheesecake part. cream cheese, strawberry preserves, sugar free.
Sugar free. That's our friend. Sugar free.
Look at the thickness.
Oh, we almost lost it.
Boom!
Can't
Look at
lose
that.
our cheesecake. Come on now. I need a spoon.
Where's my spoon?
It's so good.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
You better scoop you up some. Wow.
Woo! This is awesome. MJ did it
The
again.
crust.
Did it
Oh
again.
my God. The crust is so rich.
It's buttery. Melts in your mouth.
Cinnamon, macadamia nut.
We might be putting cheesecake out of business because this is the bomb right here.
The bomb diggity dong bomb.
Keto friendly. It's so rich and it just melts in your
You
mouth.
know, and because of the festive and celebratory birthday wishes and whatnot, you know, we got a few strawberries up on here. But it's a treat.
Yeah, we doing a little treat.
We're doing a little treat.
But you know, we exercise today for an hour and a half. We ought to be able to treat ourselves. You think?
Yes.
This is so good. Wow. This is unbelievable good. I know we're kind of eating out the bowl, but if you've been friends for over 40 years, you can do that. I'm just saying. Being lazy.
I mean with the knife, so I can spread it on my taste buds.
The crust tastes better than graham cracker crust.
That's for real, though.
Might be putting graham cracker out of
This is
business.
crust.
Oh my goodness.
That's good.
That is really very good.
Flavorful.
Now, if she says flavorful, it must be really good.
It's good.
Made me want to go like this.
Oh my
Put
goodness.
this on the market. That crust is the bomb.
It tastes better than graham cracker crust.
Butter. I think the butter.
It's butter all up in the
No bake. No bake cheesecake. Hello.
You make the crust out of a cookie.
Okay? Out of a crushed macadamia nut. Took me 4 or 5 minutes. Crush the macadamia nuts. Melt you a little bit of butter. Put
I'm
you some
telling you, it tastes
cinnamon
better
in
than
it.
graham cracker.
I don't know. But I think so. Don't miss no graham. What's a damn graham cracker?
We don't
Honey,
eat
give
those.
me a macadamia nut crust.
Fat.
All right, let me tell y'all, I'm copyrighting that. Now, don't you steal my stuff. That's MJ macadamia nut crust. Cinco de Mayo. Woo.
They make you want to lick your spoon. I'm just saying. That was delicious.
Seriously.
I mean, that is delicious. I can't wait till my friend's husband tried. He loves sweets, but he ain't even gonna know how to appreciate something this good. That's keto friendly.
It might not make it for him to try.
Yeah, he might not make it. This might be gone tonight. Hopefully don't nobody get up in the middle of the night and sleepwalking to the refrigerator.
I ain't got to sleepwalk nowhere.
They like,
I'll be wide the damn awake. And
this
come and eat
is really I mean, to have a good meal, Cinco de Mayo, keto-friendly meal, and then turn around and top it off with a keto-friendly dessert cheesecake.
For your birthday.
We be
Even
doing the
better.
damn thing. That's what I'm talking
This is
about.
how you celebrate.
Yes. The birthday girl say, this is good. This is so good.
So we have
She ain't as
accomplished
camera friendly as we is, but
No.
you know. She over
she
there
made a
talking.
cameo appearance.
She over there saying, this is so good. Cause it is.
You know.
It really
I
is.
tell her to do a little bit louder so y'all can enjoy her moans and groans and grunts. But
That's the best
you know,
part.
You know, hiccup.
Next
in
time I
whatever.
want her to make me a thick crust. I want the crust to be a little thicker.
a little,
Cookies.
a little.
Oh my God,
But look
that
at
tastes
it.
so good.
Don't it look like
Put
crust?
graham cracker to shame.
Macadamia.
Don't be trying to steal her
crust.
stuff.
No,
on the
no,
market.
you heard it here first.
Oh, Sistah-Girlfriends.
You heard it here first. Macadamia nut crust.
By MJ.
All y'all chefs and whatnot or whatever, bakers abound. I have hit the ground
Yes.
with my macadamia
Look out.
nut crust.
We coming with some stuff. And it's very tasty. Might get to share with my sister. Her birthday's coming up too. If we got any left. If.
Stands for intermittent fasting.
How about that?
Hey.
If stands for intermitting fast. Intermittent fasting.
Fasting.
That's a good
Yeah,
one.
they got it.
That's a great acronym.
Oh,
Okay, and with that being said, we're going to say ciao as we do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with Sistah-Girlfriends.
I ain't sharing nothing right about now.
Ciao.